Hi students, today NPTEL submission, the deadline is 13/9/2023 and programming data structure and algorithm using Python. We will try to complete the session as soon as possible. So today is the week 7 quiz. In the week 7 quiz, he is asking the first question given the following permutation of A, B, C, D and something. He is asking, this is lexicographic dictionary order. You should check in Google, okay. So already he explained also in video also, and he is asking what will be the answer. Answer we have written here. How it is working? Let us the answer. The question he has given us this one. Okay, this string is EI this one. So how to find it? To find the next permutation in lexicographic order, you can follow these steps. Okay, to get the solutions. At first you will start from the rightmost digit A and move left until you find the digit that is smaller than the digit to its right. In this case, the first digit that is smaller than the digit to its right is F. Okay. So you will focus on that part of the permutation CA. Here you will focus. Okay. And the A is the pivot element. The A will be the pivot element. Now find the smallest digit to the right of A but greater than A, which is C. Okay. So you will swap A and C, then your string will be like this. Then at last you will reverse the digits pivot and find at last the answer will be E, I, B, J, D, H, G, F, C, A, I. So your answer will be this one. Okay, done. Question number 2, to solve this question number 2, already we told you should write this question in your compiler, then you will get answer this one. Okay. And third question, this is also you should write in, we will not waste your time, compile this question and you will get this one, sir. Okay. And at last, this is very awesome question. He has given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Post order transversal is this and in order transversal is this. Okay. So he is asking what will be the left child of the root node. Okay. So we have already draw. This is your post order and this is your in order. So post order transversal, the key is LRV. LRV means left right digit. And for the in order, your key is LVR. LVR means left digit right. Okay. At first I will come in the post order. In the post order, at first you will check which one is the digit in my tree. Okay. So you can see G is the tree because left right digit. Okay. So digit in my tree, the digit is G. Okay. So we have draw G here. I think that understand. Now you will come in the in order. Okay. In the in order, you will check where is G present. Where is G present? Okay. So you can see G is here. We draw everything. G is here. It means that this E, H, B, I, C at the left portion and J and J, A, F, D at the right portion. Okay. Same thing also we have explained. We try to explain also by the help of graph. Okay. So at the left portion is this and at the right portion is this. Done. Very, very simple. Same thing again you have to repeat. Now you will check. This is my left. Okay. This is my left. E, H, B, I, C. Okay. Now you will check where E, H, B, I, C present in post order. E, H, I, C, B. This is present here. Okay. Now here, which one is the digit? Digit will be at last because my key is LRB. Okay. So it means that my B is the digit. B is the digit. So same thing also we have written V is the digit. Okay. So after then if B is digit, now again you will come here. Where is B present? Here where is B present? B is present here. It means that this will be digit again. And this will be left. EH will be left and IC will be right. Okay, very simple. Same we have done here. So EH will be left and IC will be right. Similarly, at last we will get E will be the leftmost element. Same thing also he asked. So you will write E here and you will sum it. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, very, very simple. Thank you so much. Okay. So thank you so much. You should share this video to all of your friends. Thank you.